so that it covers, or.
Yeah.
Allie, go.
Hold it down. Yeah, you gotta watch the
Gonna
fire
wreck them in the
cabinet.
garage.
Go on.
I didn't want them in the house when we're not in there.
You good. Sit. Lie down. Lie down. 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 Good girl.
Well, we made a lot of them.
You, Zoe. Come on.
This is 50 minutes
Down.
later.
Yeah.
Okay, that's your peel. This. You put a little dusting of olive oil. You put whatever you want on it.
Then put the pizza sauce on it.
Yeah, pizza sauce comes next. I put the mushrooms first. And we've got a lot of it, so
Yeah, but you can go easy on it.
if you want peppers, mozzarella,
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I like mozzarella.
okay?
Well, you're gonna do your own.
Yeah.
Yeah, you make your own.
Yeah.
So there's
Make
3
it good.
peels, so 2 of you can start. All right. And I need the gloves. One of the gloves.
Yeah, you like pizza.
Oh, you gonna let me start?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, thank you more.
Kristen, you can go next.
I need to put some cornmeal on here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got my stupid.
You keep your eye on it and turn it as it goes so you don't
Yeah,
burn
because the
it.
first one usually is so hot that it takes 90 seconds and it's already burned.
Oh, wow. That'll teach me to pet my dog.
Oh, there's also pizza spice. If you like yours, because the pizza sauce has spice in it.
Might as well. You got a place to land at?
Is that good?
Yeah, the first one burned, so it's probably a little burnt on the bottom.
Wow, that was fast.
Cut her up and there you go.
There you are, Kristen.
Okay, he's got another one.